Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Hyundai Tucson Active X, stock reference number 5111. This shape runs from the 7th month to 15 and is the current shape. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Nothing has survived on the rear end. We have the right tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has two small dents, right front door also has two small dents, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It has an automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat-nav, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass and sunroof type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.